been a while since I've been doing some vlogging about myself, and today I'm at Ridgecrest, California, and my dad is doing some security guarding. He's doing some security actually. I'm like right next to his car, waiting for my dad. Right now he's doing some patrolling. I don't know if I'm allowed to vlog about this area or something, so I'll just ask my dad first, because it's been a while since I've been making any content, and I'm planning to make other contents as well about telling a story. I never told a story before, but I'm gonna plan to do that. I just gotta make a script about it. Normally I'll just do my intro and telling everybody like, what is up everybody? This is Paul BGMZ. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And the reason why I didn't do that is because I just totally forgot how I did it before. So I didn't like trying to remember right away until it's just now. And I'll show you where I'm at. And it looks pretty cool around here. Everybody's doing some, I don't know what they did. It looks like a farmer's market to me. I'm using my phone. When I use the wide camera, it gets blurry, so I just gotta go back on using the regular camera. It looks like it's blurry still. I'm gonna clean it with my shirt. Let me see. Nope, it still is the same. I'm gonna see if I can wait for my dad. He's gonna come, and I'm gonna ask him if I can just vlog just for a little bit. Hey, Dad. Is it okay to vlog about this or no?
Yeah.
That's my dad. Once again, a security guard. And this is a really cool cart that he's driving. It flashes too. I'm gonna see if I can catch a ride.
Want to, well, you don't have to.
I can bring you 78. I've been doing DoorDash. I don't know if I mentioned that.
Yeah, you could go to McDonald's.
Oh yeah, McDonald's. So
Closer.
what do you want at McDonald's?
Give me a Big Mac.
A Big Mac?
Yeah, a Big Mac and a French fries. Just give me a Big Mac meal. Give me a Coke.
They should have a combo. With
the combo. Just give me the combo.
Big Mac combo, I think.
Yeah, give me a Big Mac combo.
Look at that moon over there.
You could always hang out with me later too if you want. Did you bring your jacket?
Yeah, my jacket's back at your house.
Oh, I have a jacket in the evening. People order all night long. It's Saturday.
Yeah. It's a good thing that they order. Yeah, I'm doing DoorDash. I just made some really good money just today, this morning. Yeah, it's just like over $100, so I'm gonna make some more of that. I'm trying to build up my finances.
Try to make it 200. Yeah. You know?
Yeah.
And then tomorrow you could do some more before you head back home.
I'm wearing my dad's jacket. It looks like I'm a security guard myself. It looks like a farmer's market that everybody had out here.
Yeah, it's just vendors.
So all you have to do is patrol.
Yeah.
All night till morning.
Yeah, till 6 in the morning. So it'll be 13 hours because of the hours going back.
Oh.
You know.
Do you need coffee? No, you don't drink coffee.
No, I have 2 waters and 2 Gatorades.
Okay.
And some chips and candy.
Yeah, because you normally. I mean.
And I didn't think I was gonna get hungry.
That moon looks really. Yeah, I guess when you're up all night, you're gonna feel hungry.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool.
A lot of times it's me and Sabrina or somebody else, we drive these around.
I never drive a cart like this. This looks like something I like to drive. Oh.
Yeah.
They had like some type of, what are those, bands? Carnival, and then people just sitting right there. You can see that. It's kind of a small area too.
Yeah.
To patrol.
Yeah, they used to be farther before. It used to be more everywhere.
Yeah, because It's one of those public streets. Oh, they have
Yeah, this is Las Flores.
looks. I don't know if that was supposed to be like a news.
No,
There's
that's-
T-Mobile.
That's the ATM from the bank I bank at. Desert Valley, Veteran Credit Union.
Sorry, it's pretty dark. Like I'm using my phone camera like usual. Maybe someday I'll get like on the right side. Yeah, that's the
fire
sheriff's.
department right now.
Yeah, I remember the fire department. That's the fire department, and I think my dad mentioned there's a sheriff's station right over there. Hopefully, my phone is able to pick up my audio. Being a security guard is pretty fun. Same thing goes with DoorDash if you're doing DoorDash out here in Ridgecrest, because not too much traffic. And again, I don't have like a nice. I'm using my phone camera, so that's why it's pretty dark. And that's a public park over there. I remember when I was a kid, we were playing kickball. My dad was kicking the ball high. I can still remember that. Like we were playing kickball and you were kicking it, the ball high, like super high upper, like higher than me. I like how quiet this town is. That's a museum on our right side. I'll make sure I'll bring like McDonald's over there.
Yeah, right now you can go get me something. I'm starving. Make sure you get me a medium fries and a medium drink. It's fine. A Coke.
Yeah. You just want a medium-sized drink?
Well, you bring me a large, but they usually give you large fries. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Just give me a large drink. Make sure it's a Coke, large Coke, Big Mac, and fries. That's fine.
Okay.
Medium fries will be good, but then they're going to give you a medium drink. They just get a large.
Well, I guess it depends on the combo.
Yeah, they'll ask you if you want, large or medium. Give me the large is fine.
Large drink?
Large drink, yeah, large
Okay.
Coke. Now, once everybody leaves, then I have to block off the road.
Oh, you're gonna block everything?
Yeah, they'll block off the roads and they're over here and over there.
It's really dirty on this.
Where's your car at?
It's right over there at the parking lot at Home Depot.
Oh, why'd you park over there? You should have parked over there. Just go around this way to the library.
Oh, over there. Okay,
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
And that's the entrance over there. I parked my car right over there, where somewhere
Verizon?
right next to Verizon.
Where Marina works.
Yeah, that's my sister works in that store at Verizon. Can't see it. It's kind of blurred out. This is the desert area that we're in. And that's the museum. I've been inside that museum. It's been a long time.
All right, Mel.
All right, Dad. I'll be back with the.
Yeah, just call me if I'm not there, and I'll just go where the car is.
Okay, I'll be back with
All right.
McDonald's. Well, the McDonald's wasn't. It was kind of a big, huge line. There was a Burger King nearby, like across the street from McDonald's, so that's what I got for my dad. So got him a Whopper combo, and I even got myself something to eat. I wasn't even hungry, so I don't know why I got myself something to eat. It's my dad. I also bought myself something. I don't know why. I wasn't even hungry. And here's your Coke.
There's cup holders here anyways.
Oh, okay. That's your Coke. And my drink is in here.
Oh.
There's one more straw in there. My drink's right here.
What did you get?
I got a number 1 and number 2. A Whopper and Texas Whopper.
I see no lights in here.
I have a better flashlight back of my.
We got a cheese.
Let's see. Yeah, I wasn't sure what they were asking when they were asking. Well, I said medium on fries.
What you got them with cheese or?
Yeah.
This is what the.
Yeah, they said they asked me with cheese. Did you want a cheese?
No, I never like cheese.
Oh man.
Sorry. That must be the Texas Whopper. This is a Whopper.
Yeah, the Whopper has cheese.
Yeah,
Sorry, Dad. I didn't know.
no, I never. I don't never like their cheese.
Just took the jacket off so I can give it to my dad. I feel sorry for my dad. He's gonna be out here till 6 a.m. At least I got him something to eat. And right now he's washing the windows.
I make it worse.
I have my jacket at your house. It's still like it looks streaky now.
Yeah, it's plastic.
Oh, that's why, huh? Well, here's your jacket. It's gonna get cold.
Yeah. Go get your jacket. Get something warm on it.
Okay.
Go do DoorDash if you want to come by and hang out a little bit. It's nice.
Yeah. Last weekend I was here and I enjoyed doing DoorDash out in Ridgecrest because it's so much easier. The reason why it's easier because there's less traffic and everything's nearby. In Bakersfield, yeah, it's a big, huge town and everything's too far away and there's so much cars. All the time there's a lot of constructions that'll get in the way. I miss Ridgecrest very much. I used to live out here. My dad's throwing stuff away. Well, anyways, I just wanted to document today and I'm going to conclude this video. Sorry, it's like a short one. I just want to make it easier for myself once I put it together. But I am planning to make a story later. I just got to make a script about it. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell. And I'll see you guys later. Take care. See you next time. Peace.